Hey you guys, welcome back to day 8 of my Halloween series. Sorry for the delay. I was booked and busy today, but let's go ahead and get into this blood look. So all you're going to need is the gel polishes of your choice and a dapping dish. You're going to go ahead and put your gel polishes in there. You don't need a whole bunch. You really don't. And then you're going to go in with some alcohol and you're going to mix until you get this consistency. You want it to look like gel polish, just a little bit more runny. You don't want too much alcohol because then the pigment won't pop up. If you don't have gloves on by this point, go ahead and put some gloves on because it's going to be a hot mess. And get you a toothbrush. The toothbrush actually fits in the dapping dish. Make sure you're not going to use it later to brush your teeth. All you're going to do is take your thumb and you're just going to flick the product onto the nail. It's really that simple. And then if you want bigger blood drops, just take a dotting tool and then just make little splotches of blood splatter. But remember, it is gel polish, so you don't want it too thick because it'll wrinkle in the light when you cure it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Cooper Shine top coat, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure that. And there she is, nice and cute. Go ahead and practice it and show your clientele what you can do.